All right, finally got the GoPro 10 going. Let's Paul and I are just going to clean this mess up. This is part of yesterday's stuff here. Heavy duty wire. Got some nice wire out of this thing. I think inside of these things, oh yeah, that's right, were silver contacts and all kinds of good stuff. Oh yeah, lots of silver contacts, big spools of wire, not to mention all the copper that's on the outside of these things. Wow. Bring that around back, Paul, for micro scrapping bucket later. Oh, got some more down here, but I like these. I like them. And I like micro scrapping when it's cold out. I got rid of part of that pile yesterday. Trailer was loaded. Trying to keep holes in my buckets. That thing should have went yesterday. I gotta put that in the trailer too.
Oh no, I ain't got no more room in here.
It's pretty packed up, isn't it?
Get out. Yeah, who needs a bicycle?
Yeah. Bicycles. We gotta get them fixed up so we can give them away to some kids that need them bad. Those are nice bikes. I like to find somebody that needs, like that one up front. There's a good one. That one right there, and that one for sure. Them 3 kid bikes, you know. That one there's got training wheels on it, so I think we need to give some of these away, and then put a few on Marketplace. The Huffy, the Huffy bikes, like I mean, they're not very expensive bikes. I went to Lowe's. You can buy that gray bike right there at Walmart for $99. $99, not $199.
Yeah, 99.
So if I can fix it up and sell it to somebody for $40, find all it needs is a seat. I should probably find one of them somewhere.
Yeah, no doubt.
Anyway, let's get this place fixed. Can't let that stuff get wet. A couple other things we could put down in that corner for right now, but it's coming at me, Paul.
What are they? What?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw them right over here. Throw them in that corner pile. There's a big old, you know what's in them. Beat up my fence.
Magnet.
Yeah, not magnet, but
Resistor?
you know what I'm talking about. One of them things. This thing here, boy, that has a massive one in it. Big old battery piece, charging pieces. Anytime you find these things here, that's gonna have some nice motor stuff in it. Try it. Stick it in the fence. Oh. Watch out though, it's sticking up now. Sticking straight up. Yeah, that's a beast right there.
Can you help me?
That is a beast right there, Paul. Can't wait to scrap that. Heavy aluminum for sure. Beast.
Make you want to take it apart. Let it down, man.
We need this tomorrow? We need that tomorrow?
No. I got 4 of them in the truck.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna put it in the trailer anyway. Yeah.
Where I put these at? In your storage? In your building?
Yeah.
Cool.
Got it. That right there. That thing can go up back too. Them chairs can go up back, Paul. Get the front of my house looking better. Is that the one that's normally flat?
Yep.
It's good then.
Oh no. How many are here?
30 pounds. Yeah, she ain't got 30 pounds. Got 10 pounds. All right. All right. hear it going chug chug. I feel it a little bit. Definitely cannot ride in the side. Trying to tip me over, Paul. That thing is heavy. I'm good, Paul. Ain't going nowhere, yeah. Get that tarp. All right.
Damn, I found a small one ain't busted.
Should be good in the front. All them little ones break, don't they?
Yeah.
Don't drop them. Whatever you do, don't drop it. This is about the best I'm gonna get the front for now. Remember, everybody, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Left-handed Paul and I are gonna go ahead and do a mobile home floor we've been asked to do. Haven't done one in a little while. Figured we'd make some more videos. Hope you stop by my channel and check them out. See you when you get there. Please leave a comment. Tell me where you came from.